Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another try on haul. This week we are featuring Old Navy. I absolutely love Old Navy. They're probably, besides Abercrombie, my favorite brand to get new clothes from and do these hauls for you guys because I think they have good quality at amazing prices. Like, I'm just floored every time. They always have some sort of sale going on. They have a great reward system where every time I order, I get like cash rewards to use on my next purchase. I am amazed by their customer service, like everything. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I should tell you that. But I absolutely love their stuff. And so I picked out, I think, 10 different pieces, styled it, and I want to say like 15 different outfits for you guys. So I'm excited to share with you everything that I got I still am shopping summer. I know a lot of people are on to fall, but like, I'm not there, you guys. I'm not there. I'm still thoroughly enjoying summer and adding pieces to my wardrobe. So, like always, everything that I show in this video that's Old Navy will be linked down below for you guys, as well as what size I picked up from there in case you're curious. I will also have my measurements, my general measurements down below, and any other piece that I use from my own wardrobe to style these outfits. I will try to link the exact item, but if I can't, I will try to link something similar for you guys. So let's jump in. Starting with dresses, I grabbed 2 dresses. I do not have like a long flowy white maxi dress, which I think is a pretty basic staple in a lot of people's wardrobes. I don't have very many maxi dresses in general, so it has been something that I've been adding to my wardrobe recently when I'm looking at sites. This, I mean, linen gauzy material is just a staple for me over the summer, and I absolutely love this one. It is slightly sheer, but there is like double layers, so totally good. I love that you can tie and adjust the straps, which just makes your, I don't know, it much more customizable for your desired like level of exposure. I also love that these little strings have tassels on them. I prefer to tie the strings right about here instead of here on the back because I like the look of it showing forward. I feel like it just adds another element of, I don't know, pizzazz to this overly basic, simple dress. But I love this. You can dress this a million different ways. Obviously, it would be super cute on like a beach vacation, but I think you could still wear it around day to day and it would be awesome. So I absolutely love this. Again, the quality for the price, it's amazing. And yeah, I got this true to size. It is an oversized maxi dress, so keep that in mind. If it's not something super fitted, even if you went down sizes, I don't think it would ever be super fitted, but that's the look of it. I love this dress. It's not too long. It's the perfect length on me personally. I would wear it with flats no matter what, but I guess you could dress it with a pair of strappy heels if you wanted to. Ooh, like a pair of orange or green heels with this. So cute. Absolutely love this first piece. So excited that I added that to my wardrobe. Okay, this next piece is totally like Kelly circa college days. I don't know, but I'm absolutely in love with it. You guys have to let me know, what are your thoughts on these? It doesn't matter, I'm still gonna keep it because when I saw this dress, I was like, yes. But I know some people think it's very pilgrim-y, and I get that, but maybe I just love being a pilgrim. I don't know. Okay, it's this kind of paisley-ish print. I think it's the blue that really like seals the deal for me. I feel like they had this in a yellow, but I still like didn't love it as much because of the royal and the darkness of these colors. I feel like makes this dress look a bit more sophisticated, even though it's a very like, I don't know, swing dress with the like, it is very, very conservative, but I absolutely love it. It has pockets. Oh, I don't think I mentioned that this has pockets as well. It has pockets. I love, like I said, I just love everything about this. You can kind of like tie the string up at the top, or you can leave it down. A million different ways. You can dress this up with sneakers, with sandals to go more casual. I love it. I don't know. I know a lot of people are like going to think that it looks like a pilgrim, but apparently I love being a pilgrim. It's the best thing ever. Okay, this next top, you all have like, I want to say mentioned it to me to buy this, and I've tried a couple times and they're always sold out of it. but I finally got my hands on it. It's part of their activewear line, which I love Old Navy's activewear line. I was wearing it back in college and I think it's really good. I want to say this is their Power something sports bra. I don't know. I wear sports bras like this with the high neck and like long line every day when I go to the gym, but this is a bit different in the sense it's much longer. It's not as cropped as the current ones that I'm wearing to the gym, and it's also a cotton material and not like a like flishy, do you know what I'm talking about? Like sweat wicking material. So I'm interested to see how this like holds up in terms of like fading and whatnot, but I really like it. It has a really nice compressive built-in bra and cup pads, which I would honestly keep them in because they look really nice in this top. I feel like this is just a really good top. If I don't wear it working out, depending, I'm still gonna try it, but if I don't love it working out, I'm still gonna wear it like for my walks and whatnot. I do like that it has more of a full back compared to my current workout tops, which are just a like T-strap back sort of thing. So I love everything about this. I love the coverage, I love the cut of it. I mean, it's black, but they come in many different colors and patterns, but I wanted to try the black to start with, and overall, I'm impressed, and you can get these really affordable, so I like it, but just note that it is not like an Activewear material. It's a stretchy cotton. Like, it's not like a stiff cotton by any means. It feels active-y, but it doesn't feel sweat wicking like you would think an activewear top would be, so keep that in mind, but I still love it. You can wear this with, obviously, leggings. You can wear it with shorts. Anything. I think that would be a really good top for like a yoga situation. Also from their activewear collection, I got this super cute. It's like a cropped quarter zip active top. This is that material that's like that stretchy flishy material, you know what I mean? I love this. It's got the thumb holes, but they're like subtle thumb holes, which I like. You don't actually know they're there until you like stretch it out. Love that. Love the fact that it has like the little half zippy thing and the zipper or quarter zipper, and it covers at the top. Those details are just really nice. I know white is kind of daring in the sense of like, girl, I know, but I still really love it. I love it because I wear a lot of super neutral sort of things to the gym, so I don't know, adding this in will go with every single piece in my workout wardrobe. You can pair it over the top of the black top if you wanted, but this would just be great. I feel like you could wear it as the top alone, like with a sports bra underneath, or you can wear it over like a top. It's not super tight. If you want something skin tight size down, I would say this is very like comfortable fitting, which I love. It's not tight and I'm a fan, but I love these for throwing something on over the top when I'm like running to the grocery store after I work out, or before I work out. I always drop Arlo off at daycare, so I like something like that to feel a little more covered. I don't know. I love those. That is a winner. Okay, when I was going through my shorts a while ago, I had like this no fuss, like I'm done with shorts that suck and don't make me feel good and are not comfortable. I'm just done with it. So I had a pair of white denim shorts from Zara, I want to say, that I had got like literally, I don't know, forever ago. And they just did not, I never wore them because they just did not fit comfortably. So I wanted to look for a new white pair of denim shorts. I really like these, but I honestly think they're a bit too short. They are a 3-inch inseam, which I feel like it's a bit short still. I wish that the cuff rolled down. That would be perfect because I like that ability to like adjust the length depending on what I'm feeling that day. They're stretchy. They are like a mid-rise, I would say. They say high-rise, but I don't think they're high-rise. I think they're like a mid-rise because they don't even cover my belly button, but I do really like them. They're stretchy. The two fits perfectly. I would just say that I think they're borderline a little bit short for my liking. I don't think everyone will have that issue, but they're comfortable. They don't dig into my thighs. A white pair of denim is something that I've been wanting to add to my collection, so I don't know if I'm gonna stop here, but I'm gonna try and order another pair and see what I think about it, just in a longer length, because I don't know if I don't think the 3-inch is long enough, which I feel like they think that they've done everybody a favor with a 3-inch inseam, and I'm like, girl, I need another 2 inches. But anyways, they're still really good, so if you're looking for a good pair of denim shorts and you don't want something super long, then those are awesome, great price point, good quality, and you can't see through, in my opinion. I got another striped button up. Are we surprised? No, but at least I've gotten the fact that I have enough blue, so let's stretch out to like other colors. So this tan, I love this. Okay, another thing I really like about this, and the other one I'm about to show you, is it's like a cropped fit. So it's more of a boxy fit, which honestly is nice for tucking in because you don't have like a whole lot of excess material, if that makes sense. So I've liked that this is cropped. I don't have to leave like 7 buttons unbuttoned at the end to like leave half out, half tucked. I really enjoy these like tan and thicker striped shirt. I think this is so cute. White shorts, jean shorts, or denim shorts, denim pants in the fall, winter, whatever. I love this. I love the cream. I'm definitely keeping this. This is perfection. And then that same style, that like OG boxy, I think it's called the OG boyfriend shirt, but it's cropped, I swear. Not in like a cropped, you're gonna see your whole belly shirt, but like cropped in the right fit for, I think, tucking in. I liked this chambray. I feel like I own some chambray shirts, but they're like all very long. So I liked that this was a little bit more cropped. It's super simple. It's a good structure. Like it feels soft, but it has structure to it where it's not like flimsy. Like one I have is so flimsy. I basically just wear it as a swimsuit cover up, but I really liked this. I think you can pair these a million different ways. If you do not have a chambray shirt in your collection, you need it. I also really like that it has these little buttons. I don't always keep them there, but sometimes I do. So I like that ability to keep the button there. I feel like it just, again, adds a little bit more structure to your outfit. So absolutely so happy I picked this up, and I love the length on that guy. I picked up this, and I know you might be like, a sweatshirt in summer, Kelly. I know, but it's white, so I feel like you can pair it a million different ways. It goes with everything, and it's a lightweight terry one. It doesn't have like fleece in the inside, so I feel like it's nice and light, and it does get kind of chilly here in mornings and in the evenings now, so I feel like I can wear something like this, throw it over the top of a bathing suit with some shorts, throw it over the top of my workout set, whatever. I wanted something oversized. This is very oversized, so keep that in mind. If you want something that's, I went true to size, and I would say this fits like, I didn't take the tag off yet. Nice. I'm keeping this. If you want something that fits like more like a normal sweatshirt size down, but this is an oversized fit, and that's kind of what I wanted. But I love it. It's comfy, it's cozy, it's stretchy, it's not sheer either. That's important. I decided to grab another pair of jeans. I fell in love with, I think it was my last order. I ordered a pair of their jeans, and they were perfection. These, I like the style of them, but the color is more of like an acid wash, which I don't honestly own anything like this, and it's because I don't really love it. To each his own. I liked the shape, I liked the length, I loved the stretch to them. They're a button fly. I just don't love the like acid wash to them. But if you were looking for a pair of acid wash jeans and you like them, I highly recommend just checking out Old Navy's jeans in general. Some are very hit and miss, I will say, but I found my absolute favorite pair, and I want to say I paid like $17 for them, if that. It's crazy. Okay, and then the last top I got, again, it reminds me of that dress in Pilgrimmy Kelly. I swear, I used to wear tops like this all in college, and I just love them. I don't know, there's something about them. They make me happy. This like poof sleeve with the like bungee sleeves and these little tassels. I don't know, I dig it. I feel like you can dress this super casual, tucked into a pair of jeans with some sandals, or throw it on with some skinny jeans and some heels and make it look a little bit more elevated. It's like a gray stripe detail. It's like a linen gauze material. Perfect. It's so cute. I absolutely love this. Fits true to size. It is quite boxy at the bottom. That's why I feel the need to tuck it in. You don't have to, but I feel like it gives you more shape to your body. I love wearing like oversized tops like this with a tighter bottom. I just feel like it gives balance, but either way, if you do tight on top, loose on the bottom, or loose and loose, I don't care, you do you. But I was a fan of this top, and I'm happy that I picked it up. One thing I will say that I wish Old Navy like brought back is I used to find some of my favorite sandals there, like cute sandals, like wrap up the leg, like gladiator style sandals, and I've just not been in love with any of their shoe selection lately, which is kind of a bummer. I look every single time, I'm like, maybe they've added sandals to their site, but I just feel like they stopped doing that, but I used to love them. But anyways, that is everything that I picked up. Those are all my top picks from my recent Old Navy haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me style them into different outfits and kind of check and see if the versatility worked in my closet and if I'm able to style outfits, because that's kind of what I deem, if something's gonna stay, I need to be able to style it at least two different ways with the clothes that I already have. I don't, at this stage of my life, really want to add anything else to my closet that I need to buy more to style it, if that makes sense. Or if it's just like a statement piece. Unless it's a dress, then go for it. But generally speaking, I want versatile pieces, good quality at really good prices, and I feel like Old Navy checks all of that. So everything will be linked down below in case you guys are curious to check anything out, or if you want outfits ideas, like I said, everything is linked out into outfits so you can see if you have something similar in your closet and want to style it the same way. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Don't forget to let me know if there's another brand that you want to see in the comments down below, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video.